welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make dal makhani. Yes guys, this dal tastes really very good, especially with steamed rice. So do check out the recipe, try it at home and just comment below how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. To make dal makhani, here I have taken black gram, whole black gram, so I have soaked this overnight. So this is 3 times and this is 1 time of chana dal. So I'm just going to pressure cook in the cooker up to 8 whistles. So I'll add this to the cooker. The water was fresh. I had strained out the water in which it was soaked, and this is the fresh water. And this is chana dal. Add salt to taste so that the dal gets cooked properly. Mix it well. And if required, you can add in some more water. So I'm going to add a glass of water. And now this will be pressure cooked up to 8 whistles. Now you can see the dal has cooked well. I'll just mash up 1 black gram and you can see it is really cooked well. So with the help of this spatula, I'll just roughly mash it up. If you want, you can use a potato masher, but this would be good enough to do the process. And then I'll start making the tadka for it. Now start to heat up a pan. Now in the pan add some butter, around 50 grams. That is 2 to 3 tablespoons, and let the flame be on a low heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And after a minute add a sprig of curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of green chilies finely chopped and let it flutter. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. You can either grate it or make a paste of it and then add it. After you have added the things, you can keep the flame on a medium heat. Then add a bowl of finely chopped onions. Roast it till it turns golden brown in color. After the onion turns golden brown in color, add a bowl of tomatoes finely chopped. Now cook this till it forms a paste-like consistency. Now to this I'll add spices like cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon. This is garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. I'll add all to it. Now mix this well. Now add dal to this. And now mix this well and I'll let it simmer on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Also add a glass of water and then I'll let it simmer on a low heat. Add salt to taste. Just keep in mind that while cooking the dal in the cooker, salt was added at that point too. And now cover this and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can see the dal is cooked properly. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to it and mix it well. Garnish with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and then mix it well. Once the dal makhani is done, shift it in a serving bowl. And it is ready to serve. You just garnish with fresh cream and finely chopped coriander. Serve with steamed rice or naan. It will just taste awesome. I hope you must have liked this recipe. So bye for now and see you in the next episode with one more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.